Alright everybody, we're going out for a little early morning squirrel hunt, first squirrel hunt of the year, so we're going to try to get out here and get us some squirrels. It's a really nice and cool morning, so our season opened August 1st, so I'm going to try to get some squirrels. Limit's 5, so see what we can do here. We're going to get after it. Stay tuned. I see him right here. I seen him come down the limb. Which tree are they in?
It's right where it's into the tree. Let's try to. It's like it's somewhere.
He didn't like that. He's gonna fall.
Both shot at the same time on that.
Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know you shot.
It was exact same time.
Sweet.
I don't know which one was hit him, but both of us did.
Yeah, he might be a mess. Oh, there he is right there. Little squirrel.
There's another one over here.
He was up there for a while.
There's another one down here.
I'll throw him in the bag here. We'll see if we can go get another one, huh? Man, we had to sit there for a while. Wait him out. Pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't have... He was laying on that limb.
Yeah, I had a clean shot.
Alright, stay tuned. No, he didn't. He was. He was stopped right there for a second. He's fast. Damn it. Alright everybody, forgot to do an outro on our squirrel hunt, but this is going to be a catch and cook. So it's my buddy Glenn, he was the one with me squirrel hunting. So he's had this squirrel in his sous vide for 16 hours, and he's taking it off the bone now, and we're going to fry it in this pork fat. And what are we making, Glenn?
Yeah, like a carnitas type.
Kind of like tacos type thing. What do you call them?
Carnitas.
Carnitas, okay. So
Tender on the inside, crispy on the outside.
sounds perfect. So we'll get this all taken off the bone. We'll cook it up in this pork fat, and we'll get it into the carnitas, and we'll show you what it tastes like, or tell you what it tastes like. Alright, we're taking the pork fat out right now, and we're just gonna cook this squirrel in the fat of the pork. And then here's how much meat's off of 3 squirrels. I forgot to mention we actually got 3 squirrels because Glenn got one off camera. But and then here's the bones after he took it off. But here's how much meat's off of 3 squirrels after it's been in the sous vide for like 16 hours. So you can go ahead and throw her in the fat there.
So here we're just going to do a hard fry on the outside, and I don't leave it like that because it's already been cooked plenty. Toss it in and then not really cook it.
Man, it smells so good. This is gonna be delicious. I've never had this before, but I can't wait. Put a little seasoning on it.
Just got as hard of a fry as I could on the one side to get it nice and crispy, and
Man, that smells really good.
Still tender on the rest.
Alright, we're getting ready to plate this up. Alright, here we go. We got some squirrel meat on here and some shredded cheese. And then I got some of this Herdez Taquerio street sauce. And we're gonna give her a try. It smells amazing. Oh man. Yeah, very good, Glenn. Thank you.